Good morning, children. Welcome back to the another video session of your science class. So, in today's class, we are going to revise our chapter because we have completed our chapter yesterday. And in today's class, we are going to revise our chapter. Today is day 3 and the date is 9th of February and the day is Tuesday. So let us revise our chapter. We have studied this chapter about the whole space science. We have studied in this chapter about solar system, the sun, the planets, as well as all the planets feature. And we have studied about dwarf planets. We have studied about Pluto, satellites, comets and asteroids, and also about our Earth. And we have studied that what causes day and night, what causes the changing seasons on Earth. So let us take this quick quiz first, then we will revise our chapter. So write T for true and F for false. So the moon revolves around the Earth. Yes, the moon revolves around the Earth. Then it is true. So Pluto is a dwarf planet. Then it is also again true. Then one Earth day is equal to 48 hours long. So it is false. You know very well that the one day it is of 24 hours long. One Earth day. Okay. Then seasons are caused by the rotation of the Earth on its axis. No, it is false. It is due to the revolution. As I have explained you the difference between rotation and revolution in yesterday's class. So Earth is always leaning to the side due to its tilted axis. Yes, it is true. So this was the quick quiz. Let us take this recap box and revise our chapter. So the 8 planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are our planets. Then the known dwarf planet of our solar system are Ceres, Eris, Makemake, Haumea and Pluto. The sun is a star. You should remember it. Then the sun is a huge ball of the hot glowing gases and satellites revolve around their planets. Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Then Earth takes 24 hours to revolve around its own axis. This causes a day. And the Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one rotation around the sun. And there is a very interesting fact which I will tell you. It is that as you can see that the Earth completes one rotation in 365 days and 6 hours. So that is why leap year occurs. Isn't it interesting fact? See children, that is why every 4th year is a leap year because additionally जब ये add होते जाएंगे, so because 365 days and 6 hours, so you can easily calculate that 1 year 6 will be added, then again 6 12, then again 6 what will be 18, then again 6 24 and then it will be 2 equal to 1 day. So this is the reason why every 4th year is a leap year. Isn't it interesting? Please do remember it, okay? Then seasons are caused by the revolution of the Earth and around the sun, and the Earth is tilted and the Earth's tilted axis of rotation. This is the reason of season. Then let's see the keywords. Keywords you need to remember. I'm just reading it. Celestial bodies are the bodies like sun, moon, star, planets, etc. Whatever is present in space, that is known as or be considered as celestial bodies. Then dwarf planets are the small celestial bodies. They revolve around the sun, but it is not a planet. Planet is a celestial body that revolves around the sun. Satellite is what? It is a celestial body that revolves around a planet. Then solar day, revolution period of the Earth around the sun is 365 days and 6 hours. And star is a celestial body that has its own light. So this was it about the whole chapter, which is about space science. I hope the chapter was very much interesting. Please read this chapter and also try to remember all the important things. Thank you and have a nice day children. Goodbye everyone.